Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to export the graph from origin. So first I will open the origin and open the worksheet, or I will open my data file. Select text file, open. I will delete unwanted columns by right clicking. I will change to x-axis. No, I have two y-axis. I will select three columns and insert the graph. I will insert the lines. Now my graph is ready for the export. So there are multiple ways to export this graph. Right click here, and first method is export. I will click. Then there are multiple options. Which format you want. You can name the file. I will insert graph 1. Then you can change the location or folder. You can change anyone. Then you can also change this one and click OK. Now the graph will be exported as a PNG format. This is the graph in the form of PNG file or photo file. This graph is ready. You can copy and paste to anywhere in the presentation. Right click, copy, and then you can use it. This is the first method. Insert, paste. You can use it. You can crop it. You can change the size. Anything you want, you can do it. But this is photo or image. It can't be edited. So I will tell you another way which can also be used to edit. Copy page or copy image. So this is another option. These are same format, just copying directly. You can choose multiple options, pixel size, etc. And then just copy. And then come to the PPT and paste here. Yeah. So this is again image which you can crop, you can resize and use, but it can't be edited. Now I will tell you another way where you can insert the graph. If you want, you can just click in the PPT and you can change it. So that method is right click. Yeah. Click this option. Yeah. Come to the presentation. And there are two options. One, insert as image. One, insert as image. And another as this is the image. So once again, you can resize anything you want, you can do it. And another option is this one, just paste. This is actually origin file. It looks like graph. The good thing is that you can edit this one. So just double click on this graph. It will open a new origin file. And then you can change anything you want. For example, I will change the shape of these scattering lines. So I will change to triangle or change to circle, anything you want. You can just change it. There are multiple options, just like in the origin. Then you can simply If you want, you can also save it as a separate project, or you just close this project. Then the data will be automatically saved into your presentation, and the image in the presentation, file in the presentation will be updated. Yeah. So this is the best method I normally use. And here you can see, yeah, by clicking here, you can change the images or shapes of the scattered line. Yeah. So this method is very best. I like this method because you don't need to save, you don't need to copy. Just right click, copy, and then paste into the presentation or your PPT. So this method is the best, which I mostly use. So I will tell you another third method. Yeah, so these are two methods, image and as a origin file. I will tell you another direct transform. This is the graph, and no. So yeah, copy image or export as image. And now I am telling you that directly into the presentation. If you click on the word, it will give you options. You can choose whatever you want, and then OK. You can even choose the new files, or I am not choosing, so it will open a new Word file. Yeah, so my graph will be in the Word file. If you have multiple graphs in the origin, you will all will be there in the Word file. Now I will show you how you can directly import the PPT. Yeah, there are two same option as a image or as a, yeah, and then you can send, and it will give you a new PPT file, and your graph will be there. So today I told you multiple methods. The best method I like is just copy and insert a paste there, and you can add it the multiple times.